Oh, okay. It's very simple. Only one person can operate this machine. Very easy and very simple. So you just take the sand. So just look at this. You don't need any technique. Then you put here.
Hello, lovely people. This is the mini block molding machine. Any inches or sizes of bricks or blocks you want to mold, this machine can do that. And we can customize so that it can use diesel tank for you instead of electricity. So any kind of block or brick you want to mold, we can customize the size for you. So enjoy this video and watch the full video to learn how to operate this machine. If you need this machine, just contact us. We are your #1 trade company based in China, and we can arrange delivery from China to any part in the world.
So guys, you see, we have kept the sun so easily. So we are come to teach you how we Oh, Yon Jagger.
这个 it is the down volume to one minute.
Yeah.
嗯，
Wow. Oh, Yon Jagger. Gua Isha. Na Jagger hand down. Oh. Cool. Oh.
我也得挂掉，我也得挂掉。哎，不，等。
Oh.
不平。
然后用这个，
别嫌难，用力。
用，然后哦，cool.
别上把，别上把。
Wow, cool. So guys, this is my first time to try this machine, and this one you don't need any skill. It's very easy and very simple. Just one person you can operate this machine. Come along with us and let's try other machines as well.